Hello, everyone. Oh my god, hi, sorry. Hello, hello. The one and only, the big, well, no, not the big, I'm technically the mini. The mini Gherkin has reappeared again. Today we're doing game development today. Um, and it's ironic too, because I don't know this engine very well. So it's potential that I'm gonna just suck at doing this, but we will see how it goes. Um, So yeah, hello, and I'm doing great. How are you? How is existence? I don't know, man. Let me get myself. Let's get some stuff cooking. I am like uncharacteristically tired right now, and I don't know why. I just had a cup of coffee. I shouldn't be tired. Hey Amber, we're in the same boat. Why the bee's wing not moving? Because I'm not great at animation. Don't ask. It's because I'm terrible at animation, and thus, I did not want to put in the effort. I didn't want to put in that much effort to making the bee's wings move, because it just didn't end up happening. However, I might fix that later, but for now it stays like that. Okay. And when I probably finished that animation, I was probably extremely tired and was just like, I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's fine, it looks great. It's actually one of my better animations. So, I just kind of left it. I like the bee's wings this way. I think it's how they are in Minecraft. I'm pretty sure the bee's wings don't actually move in Minecraft. Poor little bee, he's fine. He's perfectly fine. Alright, let me get this, let me get the thing going. Will it work? Will it work? Aha! It works. Welcome, everyone. We'll open this because this is what we're doing. Oh my god, you're giving me pancakes? Okay, so I have started. I just haven't done very much. I've done like the bare minimum. I will show you. I actually, unironically, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this. We'll see. I'm going to try it. I'm going to see if you guys can see me running it. Because if you can't, I'll have to do some fidgetry. Okay, so you cannot see me running it until I do something like this. Yeah, there you go. So this is the game. I've done very little work so far. Hey guys, was watching something called Sonic's Halloween costume. That sounds terrifying. I want to know more, but this is all I've done so far. Is made a room with with a guy that moves around in it, and that's literally it. I've done nothing else. And that's what this is. I've just realized if the bees are almost a block, they almost a meter, since a block is 1 meter. No, they're smaller than a block. Aren't they? I'm pretty sure they're like way smaller than a block. Also, I need to hold on. I need to do something different for this. Okay, hold on. This is me, I have to attempt to do this differently because of how I'm doing this. I'm gonna have to stream a bit differently today. Give me a moment, everybody. I'm experimenting with new way of doing this. I'm gonna need to do, yeah, I'm gonna have to do this one. Okay, so it's gonna be potentially risky. I just have to make sure nothing bad is on this side. Nothing like I can't show you guys is over here. So that's fine. Yeah, anyway. So we're gonna have to do that one. There we go, see? I have to physically, like, bring everything up over here, otherwise you won't be able to see what's going on very well. But if you didn't notice, I have a lot of stuff that I have open, generally. I'm in fact gonna move this stuff over here. There. Okay, anyway, hi everybody. It's just Tails trying to oof Sonic for oofing him, just to get into a party with hosts? What? That sounds like a scuffed costume. Alright, now if I play it, you guys should be able to see both. Yeah, you can see the screen and me running. Yeah, we have video game. We have video games. We have game, anyway. Okay, so I'll show you what I have done, so you know what I'm doing. So, this is what I have right now. I have, like, a sprite with, like, a texture that I made myself. Could you tell? It looks so beautiful, doesn't it? And then I have a wall texture I made, and then, obviously, this is the player character for now. And then I made a bunch of object stuff. So, I have a lot of stuff to make today. We have a lot of things we need to make. The first thing I actually want to make is a better player sprite, because as much as I like the look of this, it kind of looks terrible. So we're going to go into player 1, and we're going to change its sprite a little bit here. I want to make it look like somewhat like a person, so that I can pretend like I have some art skills. We're going to just delete this person entirely. And they're just going. They're gone now. What's the story for the game? Okay, I don't want to say too much. I genuinely don't want to say too much. But I'll give you like a brief thing. Basically, it's a... my world that I'm building takes place in the apocalypse. So it is going to be a post-apocalyptic game. And it's going to be a apocalypse based on climate change. And the main character is a cynical scientist, or like a climate specialist. And I thought that was really funny, because she's gonna have a couple things where she's actively cynical of the fact that she saw the whole world-ending thing happening, and was like, I can do nothing about this, this is suck. So anyway, that's what I'm doing, and that's the idea. It's a apocalyptic game. And keep in mind, I am not a very good artist, so these are gonna be rough, to say the least. There we go. That's gonna be our main character for now. This is our main character. Y'all can name them. Oh wait, no, my main character's name is Anna, so this is Anna. Sonic's Halloween costume was made 16 years ago? Okay, this is actually great. You know the nice thing about this? I can actually open up the internet browser and look at stuff. This might get me in trouble. Actually, I'm gonna look this up over here real quick. Just to make sure it doesn't give me trouble. I'm gonna look this up real quick. I'm looking it up. Does it not show me? Okay, it definitely doesn't pull up whatever you were talking about. It doesn't show me anything of what you're talking about. I look it up and I just get a bunch of Sonic costumes. I don't get anything out of the ordinary here. So I'm gonna say that I'm probably not finding what you're expecting. Okay, so here's another thing. I need three different things for this character. I need to figure out how to do it. Yep, so many cringy moments, but it's priceless. What? I'm so confused. Anyway, I am moderately confused. It's on YouTube? Oh, okay, I'll have to look on YouTube later then. Okay, so I need to change the sprite every time the person moves. Because I need to have a sprite where they're facing up, and a sprite this way, and then a sprite facing this way, and a sprite facing... I basically need it so that whichever direction you move, there's a sprite to show it. So I don't know how to do that, because I'm new to this thing, so I'm gonna try and pray that I can figure out how to do it. So... I'm gonna look at create real quick. Which is this one. What's the green? It's their shirt. It's their shirt. Hold on. It's their shirt. It's what they're wearing. I gotta have a shirt, man. This is their face. This is their hair. Kind of. This is more like the top of their head, I guess, but... No, it's not a pickle. And if anything, it would be a gherkin. How dare you. And I need a better floor, but I'll work on that later. Okay, I need to figure out how the hell to do this efficiently. Okay, I'm gonna do... Where's the gherkin? There's no gherkins yet. Maybe I'll put a hidden Easter egg gherkin somewhere in the game that someone can find. Set? Is set a thing? Set... Where? Sprite? What can I do with sprite? Sprite. Oh! Ooh. Oh, there's many buttons here. There's many things. That's not very helpful. Okay, could I... Hold on. Could I... Because, okay, sprites can have animations, right? So my thought is... I see it now. Yeah, it's a top view. Yeah, we're doing a top-down game. So my thought is, since I can do sprite animations, I could kind of, like... I could kind of trick it into thinking that it has multiple... Like, it has different animations. I can do a trick man. I just don't know if that's gonna work. Yeah, so I don't know how to do this part. I'm gonna try it. We're gonna try and see if I can get it to work. What the hell is this do? Ooh. Hold on. Okay. Because I can make an animation. I just need to figure out how to switch between animations. So... Can I do this? Is it this? Oh god. This dot... Sprite? Can I do this dot sprite? Oh, I can replace the sprite with something else. But dear god, does that change? Does that make a lot of things? Okay, I think an animation will probably be better, because if I do... Animation... No sleep? What movie are you most hyped for? Ooh, that's hard to say. Right now? Honestly, probably the Minecraft movie, because I just want to see just how bad it is. That's what I want. I want to know, I'm hoping it's not bad, but I want to see if it is. You know? You get what I'm saying? You wasted emeralds? No, it's fine. That's the question. Yeah, that doesn't make me not sleep if I'm not in a game that, you know? Like, I have to have, you know, I have to be, for me it's Sonic 3. Oh, wait, I forgot about Sonic 3. Actually, I agree with that. I think I'm gonna go with Sonic 3 on that one. I think I agree with you. Do I have to create... Okay, can I do... Moana 2? Oh, you made me... I forgot about Moana 2. That looks so cool, too. Okay, there's a lot of really cool games that look like they're happening. I'm not gonna do that. Never mind. Okay, I don't know how to do this. I'm not gonna lie. Frozen 3? There's a Frozen 3 coming out? What do they get to do in Frozen 3? I'm so confused. Hey, welcome, Faiza. Okay, I don't know how to do this. I'm gonna look it up. This is why we have stuff to look things up. Okay, how to rotate... Okay, how to change... GMS. It's Game Maker Studio. I use GMS. Anyway. Oh, perfect. This is exactly what I need. More freezing and more singing. I mean, I guess. It is a Disney thing. Okay. Layer sprite change. I'm gonna ignore that because that's a person who doesn't know what they're doing. Sprite index. Sprite index. Sprite index. What is sprite index? What does that even mean? What is sprite index? What is that? Oh god. That's not a site. This is too old. Oh god. Bonjour, hey, welcome. Game dev stream. Yeah, we're doing some game dev, and you're gonna get to watch me do my process. So you know. Okay, so I need to do sprite indexes, which I have no idea what that means. So we're gonna be here. I'm gonna look it up. What sprite? You guys get to see my process. of pain, sprite index, GMS. Oh my god, it's Mufasa. Oh my god, it's Mufasa. I'm making a game. That's what I'm making. Computer, I swear to god, I'm going to eat you. I'm making a game that I've been wanting to make on a story that I'm working on. You are a celebrity. Legitimately. Sprite index. This doesn't tell me how to use it, you nerd. This doesn't tell me what the sprite index actually is. I'm gonna explode. What is a sprite index? How do you add to the sprite index? I'm gonna explode. Wait. Sprite index. Is this the sprite index? I think I found it. Hold on. Add a layer. I found it. I found a sprite index. Can I be in the game for an Easter egg? Yeah, maybe. Probably. I could do that. I'm leaving. Oh no, don't leave. How dare you? Stop it. I'm just kidding. That's alright. Flip. We flip. Oh god, no, don't do that. I want to flip. No. Select. And then flip. Alright, good night, Amber. Thank you for coming by. Flip. Oh god, how do I flip? How does one... Oh no. Hold on. I can't... Oh wait, I know why. I'm not being very smart here. Hold on. I need to actually select the portion of the thing that... Oh god, hi. Okay. Control C. I'm gonna paste. And then I'm gonna close this. Open this. And then do the same thing again, except this time, we flippy. Nope, we flippy. Flip. Oh, no. My god, what is happening? What am I doing? Oh. Did I check out the new fort? I completely forgot to, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be completely honest with you here. I completely forgot about it. That is scuffed. That is scuffed. Oh god. Okay, nope, that didn't work. Okay. So that definitely was not the thing I needed to do. What is happening? Why is this not working? Okay. Well, that's not very nice. Wait. It creates an entirely new brush? Quality on-stream editing? Listen. Are you expecting, like, how high quality are you expecting here? Listen, I'm doing my best, alright? Alright, I'm doing my best here. This is more trickier than it looks, alright? Oh. There's a lot of things here. I might have to start looking up some stuff here. We might have to go onto YouTube. Oh god, no. Okay, that's fine. My crush said that she would go on a date with me. At 2 AM on November 3rd, 2024, if you know. What? That's weird. Did you come up with a thumbnail by making your Minecraft character very zoomed in? No, I would never do that. I totally had no idea what to make a thumbnail for this stream. And did that. Totally have I never used that before. I've never used that. You don't look at my past live streams. Anyway, don't look at them. I've never done this a single time before. It never happened. Alert properties. Listen, layer. I just want to rotate you. How hard? Okay. Oh, it's a daylight savings? Oh, I didn't get it. Sorry. Rotating sprite in editor. GMS. That's not helping. There we go. Thank you. Oh, this doesn't help. My brother in Christ. This isn't helping. None of these people are helpful. This is the problem with life. What? Okay, I'm gonna break a thing. I'm really, I'm not used to this engine. Someone help. Yeah, it's doing this, which is really weird. You're not allowed to get married? That seems a bit odd. Okay, so it's kind of done it. If I do it like this, it kind of does it, and I just have to touch up the pictures. Oh god, no. A little bit, right? But like, this is super odd. Why is that a thing? May I suggest some games for in the Discord for poll next week? I don't know if I'm doing a poll. I did a poll this time, but I'm not gonna guarantee I'm gonna do a poll every time. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on a minute. I just found it. I found the number. Hold up. Equals 0. Hold on. I don't need to do any of this stupid work. I can just think smarter, not harder. Hold up. Hold on. I think I had the plan. Why am I rotating the sprite a bunch of times? You can make suggestions. I may or may not use them, but you're welcome to make suggestions. Okay, W is forward. I need a complete 180. So image angle equals 180. Right? And then we need 90. Wait, no. It's 360. I'm actually dumb. I can't math. 360. This one is 180, or the other one. Image, angle, wait. A is going to be to the left, so it's going to be 180, I hope. I'm either doing this completely correct or completely incorrect. We're going to find out in a moment. So image, angle, oh god, I need to actually, it has an underbar. Image angle equals, wait a minute. Hold on a second. This would be 0. That's 90. I'm actually high. I think this name is too weird. I might change it back. That's alright. I don't think it's that bad. Alright, I gotta go. My homework is yelling at me. Have a nice day. See you later, Mufasa. I also have homework I technically need to do, but we stream instead. Stream is more important. Okay, if I did this right, it'll look great. If I did this wrong, it'll look absolute cringe. Oh. Oh no. I think I did something wrong here. I don't think this is the way they're supposed to go. Okay. So S is currently up. So we're gonna do 360 up here. So up is 360, which means 0 is down. 0. I think that was incorrect. Let me fix that real quick. 0's down, and then it should be 90, and then 180, I think. I don't know, man. 0's down, which means, yeah, that's logical, right? That'll work, right? Surely that'll work. I don't know what up and down is. Oh. Okay, so somehow I made up and down the same direction. I have homework on Monday, got Friday or next Monday to finish it. Yeah, that's me too. That's basically where I'm at. at the same moment. Okay. Hold on, I need to actually, I realize I closed that down, I need to actually look at what's going on real quick. Okay, so up is fine. Down is going the same direction as up. Which seems incorrect, as it's going 0. So, that's weird. However, I guess it's the same angle. However, this one's right, so the A key is going the right direction. So I'm gonna try doing D as just -90. I wonder if -90 works. -90. And this would technically be -360? I feel like -360 is incorrect. What name should I change my YouTube name? Hasham or Faiza? It's up to you, man. I don't care what name you pick. All names are good. Everyone's name is great. Nope, still, I got those two right, but I can't get the front and back correct. Front and back is a little scuffed. I'm just gonna do 0. I think 0. 0 might work. Well, I tried 0 last time, but we're just gonna... Wait, is it just gonna be 180? I think it's just 180. Wait a minute. I think. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not gonna lie, I have no clue. Yeah! We have a... We have... Oh god. Uh-oh. I got my character stuck. My character's stuck. My character's stuck in a wall. Wait, what happened? Why is my character stuck in a wall? No. Oh, they just get genuinely stuck in a wall. Oh, oh no. Hydrate. Ah, it's hydrate time. Okay. You heard him. You heard the person. It's get some drink. Alright, so we have a moving character. However, we have a slight issue now that they just kind of walk into walls. And just get kind of stuck there. And that's slightly issue. I'm gonna look at the room. Actually, I need to look at the wall real quick. Yeah, it moves and collides with any wall. But like, I think it's because my sprite's a bit funky. That's the only thing I can think of. Is my sprite being funky and that's why you're having issues now? Because I actually added, like, edges. Okay, let's remove edges. I think my sprite might be too edgy. When it was a cube, everything was perfectly fine, but now that it's a little bit edgy, my thing just starts yelling at me about it. Okay, we're gonna go... yeah, it should have the same thing as the sprite. I don't know why it's having issues. It shouldn't have too many issues. Let me make sure I recenter this real quick. I want to make sure I recenter it. It's going to be middle center. That's fine. And then I'm going to just quickly do a grid. Actually, I don't think grid matters here, but I'm going to do it anyway. Do an 8x8 grid. We'll cut it in half. My character should roughly be in the middle. Roughly be in the middle, kind of. Yeah, roughly. Okay, so this should be fine. I don't know what the problem is. It's just yelling at me. Yeah, it just doesn't like colliding. For some reason, it doesn't like when I do anything but move, which is might be a slight issue if I plan to have this character move near walls. And I can't figure out why that's a problem here. Why? What is our problem here? Okay, what if I removed the animation thing? What if I removed the moving of people? Would it still be broken? Is it just the fact that it doesn't like the collider on its garbage? Is that its problem right now? Is it a colliding issue? Yeah, it's just the fact that I have it rotating that it has issues with. Alright, good night everyone. I'm saying that because I'm the only one watching. Oh. Alright, fair enough. Okay. That's weird. So, why are you... Okay, so it doesn't like being rotated. It does not like being rotated, because every time I try to rotate it, it just yells at me about it. And that's kind of rude if you think about it. Let's see. I'm gonna try it again. One more try. Surely it'll work this time. Yeah, okay, it's just getting stuck. Alright, so... Get stuck on wall. And I don't know this engine well enough to be able to figure out why. Ah, this is great. I love this. Okay, is there... Is it because I'm doing a weird movement thing? Is it because I'm doing a weird movement thing? That's something I can think of. That's weird. That's a weird situation there. If I think it's because I'm making it a person, like... I'm making the person rotate, and I feel like there's probably a better way to do it. Yeah, but... Oh my god, I'm gonna explode. Okay. I'm gonna check if there is in fact a... Wait a minute. Hold on. Sprite index. I need this. But... What is the sprite index? What... But what is this mystery number? What is it related to? Because, okay, here's the things you can do with a sprite. There's a lot of things you can do with sprites. But what I kind of need to figure out is what specific sprite index actually relates to. Sprite index. Because we want to use sprite index, apparently, for this. I'm gonna look it up in thing. I always like going to images. What is... no one says what the sprite index is. Where's the sprite index? And... Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. They might have it in here. I might have it. Raining over here, wish I can go outside. Bro, I love rain. Origin, collision mask, importing. No, I need the sprite index. Give me the sprite. Okay, you know what? We're gonna test something. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna test the sprite index. I'm gonna have like 2 sprite indexes, right? So I'm gonna have 0, and then I'm gonna actually do it with this one. Sprite index equals 0, and then sprite index equals 1. Okay, we're gonna test something. I'm gonna go to the player sprite. I'm gonna add a layer. I'm gonna check if this layer is the sprite index. I'm just gonna put... You know what it could be? It could be this too. You know, that would be interesting. Hold on. It's probably not a layer. It's probably just this. So we're gonna put like a blob of green, and if it changes it to that, then we know that this is the sprite index, right? Okay, we're gonna test it. I'm gonna test this out. It's a W. Oh! Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I did a breaky thingy. I brokey the thing. Hold on. I don't think this is sprite index. That's the frame. Okay, so that's not a sprite index. I'm gonna add a new layer. I'm gonna try the layering thing. I'm gonna put a green. What? Oh, okay. Put a green dot in the corner. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try layer index now. There's a green dot in the corner. Okay, it still breaks. It still breaks. Yet I don't actually know what it's switching. I need to figure out what in the world sprite index is. Because this isn't telling me anything about the sprite index. Where's the what turns the variable turns the current sprite set for the instance. When everyone says no sprite associated, you can change to give an instance. You can change it to give the instance a different sprite by either giving it the reference of a sprite or by using a variable that has an exteriorly loaded sprite. Changing sprite does not change the index of the currently visible frame. If you change the sprite on frame number 3, the new sprite will be drawn. That frame visible. Okay. Gherkin is dying over here because he can't think of anything. I can't figure out what this works. Okay, so people are... Okay, we need to do this one. This is what they... Sprite add. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold. Hold your applause for one moment. Name. Move back. Okay, that's fine. Smooth. That. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Hold your horses, everybody. We might have a plan here. Okay, we're gonna go to player 1. And we're gonna make a new sprite real quick. Create sprite. We're gonna name this player Alright, we're gonna name it player I'm gonna edit the image real quick because this is also not gonna be the size. Everything in this game is gonna be 16 by 16 pixels. So this is gonna be our size. Okay, I have an idea. We are gonna make a very simple thing here. It's gonna be beautiful. Are you ready? Are you ready? It's gonna be a white dot in the middle of the canvas. I know. Impressive stuff, but we need to test something with this white dot. This white dot's more important than you could ever believe. Okay, so now we are gonna go into workspace, get out of here, and we're gonna go up here, and we're gonna look at this boy right here. All right. In fact, we're actually gonna look over here. We're gonna completely ignore that. We're gonna do SD boy. And yes, this is actually how I name my variables. Don't at me. It's sprite add. It is sprite add. Right. Oh god. Right. Underbar add. Okay. Sprite add. I got this. It's gonna be player. I like how it's already there. Let's go. What else do we need? What else do I need to add here? I need real? What does that even mean? Used to indicate the number of sub-images. 1 if it's an image, so it's 1. And then I need to give it the remove back, which is going to be true. And then I need to give it origin, which is going to be... We're just going to set the origin to 0, 0 for now. Actually, it's going to be center, so it's going to be Oh god, what's the origin of the player? Origin 00? Technically the origin shouldn't be 00, but it's fine. Whatever. It's whatever. 0, 0. What's your problem? Wait, am I missing one? Oh, smooth. False. Aha! Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay, it wants a string. Right? Right? Okay. Now. We change. Wait, but how do you use sprite index? How does this work with sprite index? How does that work with sprite index exactly? What? What? Hold on. How does that even work? I don't even know what that's actually doing. Okay, we're just gonna see if I can change the sprite now. Because if I can change the sprite, this makes it easier. Can I just sprite set? Oh, I get it. Hold on. Okay, for this, what we do is we do sprite. This is a very complicated assign, index, index 1, testy boy, I think, and then if I change the sprite index, so sprite index equals 0 here. This is a very weird way to do this. Hold on. I feel like there's a oh. Uh-oh. I made a mistake. What happened here? Huh. Okay. I apparently have errored. Oh, okay. At this point, it doesn't have one attached to it yet. So it has to be -1. Right? Is that what it's saying? Is that what it wants me to do? Let's try it. What? Plus -1, max is 5. Oh god. Oh god, this is the dumbest thing. This is like the dumbest thing to have issues with. Why is this an issue? It should not be an issue. Is it a problem with using the slot? No, it's just well, that's unfortunate. Why is that a thing? There's really not any information on how the hell they do this, except for like YouTube videos, which I don't want to watch. Oh god, why is this so complicated to freaking change a sprite on demand? I just want to make my boy rotate. I want to make my boy rotate. Why is this so difficult? Oh my god. This is like, why? Sorry, if I go quiet for a second, because I'm trying to read what in the hell they're doing. What is going on? Like, nobody knows how to, no one's explaining anything in these. Bruh, no one's actually doing any job of explaining. Hold on. We're gonna open up a thing here. Is it really? Hi. Is it really doing this right now? Okay, I'm gonna really quickly look at this.
Anyone that comes to Canada, the one thing.
Doing that. Give me a sec. I'm looking this up, and then we'll be right back. I'm gonna just quickly look. What? It lasted 4 seconds. What? 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 It's just not running. Okay, thank you, YouTube. You're such an inspiration. I hate YouTube sometimes, bro. YouTube is so annoying. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna blow up. YouTube is actually the worst. Why are you like this, YouTube? It's not hard. I have one thing I wish to do. One thing. I have one objective. Okay, give me 1 moment. Oh, is it really that easy? You've got to be kidding me. Oh, am I actually insane? I'm actually going insane. I'm actually going nutty. Okay, I'm actually... Hold on, we're gonna skip this dumb assignment thing I was trying to do that doesn't make any sense. Doesn't work. Okay, I'm assigning it a number for some freaking reason. Okay, so when we're going up, we're gonna do the specific sprite, player 1. It's gonna yell at me about that. Yeah, that's fine. I don't actually care. I don't have a sprite for S, so for now we're just gonna do player for S, and that will tell me if it works. And if we have running into certain issues. Oh my god. So dumb. I'm so dumb. I hate this. I hate everything about this. I hate This was so easy. I could have made this so much easier on myself. I literally did this in the most complex way possible when it was just such a simple thing to fix. Okay, Control D. We're gonna duplicate it. 1. This is gonna be. We're gonna shift this to be underbar down. I'm gonna switch this to being underbar. Oh no. Player 1. Oh my god. I wasted so much time figuring that out. Okay. Yeah, neither of these are gonna be correct, but that's fine. I really should fix my naming conventions, so we're gonna quickly do that while I'm here. So I am gonna agree with the conventions they have listed, where we do what type it is. So in this case, it's SPR because they're all sprites. I'm just gonna keep a decent name convention, so it's gonna be SPR 10th floor, and then SPR wall. Just so that I don't have any issues here. Okay. So I need to go and make a bunch of sprites now. So we're gonna Control D. I'm gonna switch this to SPR layer 1 underbar. We're gonna need to do left. I'm gonna fix the name of this one because it's gonna bug me the entire. Oh my god, no! I don't want to delete the entire name, bro. I just want to fix the L. Okay, and then copy. Whoa, wait! I can duplicate a line. That's funny. I didn't know you could duplicate lines. Actually, that's a really cool feature. I didn't know you could do that. That's kind of cool. Anyway, I want to duplicate that, and then we're gonna fix it by going like this, and then do right. Okay, so now I need to go fix all of these, and then set them up properly. Okay, So, edit the image. So first of all, we are going to need to rotate it, and I'm going to do my best to rotate it decent. I hope I can rotate this. I kind of just need to rotate on its and on axis. So like, okay, it doesn't. I don't actually have a thing to rotate, so we're just gonna rotate the. I need to select it first before I can rotate it. It's trying to smooth it. Here's the problem. It's trying to smooth it. Oh. Wait, there we go. Perfect. I got it right. I got it right. That's exactly how we want, but this is down, so I need to kind of rotate it like this. Ah ha ha. Got it. Okay. Okay. So what I need it to do is I actually need to erase this first, and then take this person and write them down like this. Oh, I just realized, oh no. Oh no. There. Okay, I actually need to do this on a separate layer. Hold on, I need to do some fixing here. That's about where I want it. And then we remove that. Yeah, okay. This is how it's supposed to be. Did I remove default? Okay, we're good. Okay, that's how you do it. We're good. Got it solved. Problem solved. That's down. I need to do right. I'm actually gonna remove some of these because I have way too many of them up here. Also, I need to like. This is all my wall textures, and this is my players. I'm gonna minimize these. Oh god, no. I'm getting used to moving around in this place. I am, again, not quite familiar with this workspace, so I'm still getting used to it. It's gonna be all my player stuff. I'm gonna put them all over here. And then, we're gonna move this over here. Because I don't need these up at the moment. Okay, and neither do I. I don't need this up anymore, because I'm gonna delete it later, but for now, we'll leave it like that. Okay. Okay! Actually, I kind of want to make these open just because it's nice to just have them around in case I want to edit them later. However, I need to do these guys first. And then since we're working on... This is right. I need to get left up as well. There we go. Okay. So we've done up and down. I need to do left and right. So we're going to open up this boy. I need to rotate him. This. Like that, and we're gonna rotate. I need it to be right. That's actually left, sorry. Come on, give me a clear. There we go. Beautiful. Alright. Now I need to go to a separate layer, add it in roughly the same spot. Doesn't have to be perfect, just has to be close. And then delete the previous layer. Okay, that would be left done. Right? Yes, that's left. Left. Left? Wait, I'm on right? What? Did it open? What? It opened right. Okay, we're in right, and I put it left. Luckily enough, this is pretty easy to fix by just doing the exact same rotation I just did, except the other way. Luckily, I can fix this real easy. By rotating my girl, there we go, and rotating them the opposite direction. And then creating, again, a new layer, and then doing this, and then deleting the old layer. Okay, that's the correct direction now. That's up. And this is left. Let's open up left. Edit. Does it have this one? It does. Nice, I can just do it then. That's awfully nice of it to just give me left. There we go. That should be all the directions covered. So now I just need to go back up to my player, all the way up here, and then just do the proper flags. I just need to fix it. Okay. So that's actually correct. SPR up is correct. And then SPR, this is going to be S, so SPR player 1 down. SPR A is left, so it's going to be SPR player left. And then the last one is SPR player right. Also, I made a mistake here. I don't want to change the speed of this, so I'm gonna have to fix that. -1. I'm pretty sure it's -1. This, I could mess up my directions now. Sprite index equals SPR player right. Oh, left. Left. Okay. It's gonna yell at me that my naming is not the convention it wants, but I don't actually care what it thinks. Why is it yelling at me? It's angry for no reason. It's fine. Okay. Now we test. If I hook these up properly, we should see a person that moves. Thank God. Oh, that took me way too long. I'm gonna check if I can. I am now stuck in walls, though. I'm still stuck in walls. That's a slight issue. that's an issue. I think the problem we're having with that it has to do with my object and the way it's... Does solid... Okay. I don't know that... I need to know their definition of solid. Emeralds? Zero watching? It's okay. It happens. Listen, I don't pay attention to the people who... I don't pay attention if there's people watching or not, because it's very disheartening. So I just generally don't pay attention. It's fine. Okay. So I need to fix this real quick. The sprite gets stuck in walls. GMS. Hydrate. Oh my God, you're hydrating? That's good. The drug has spoken. It is time. Okay, what are we doing? The most common cause is using animations as a static collision mask. Make a solid fill one frame rectangle sprite with the same size and origin as your character. Then go into the object properties and set mask to it. Thanks for the comment. Yeah, I did that already, except I don't think there's an origin for my character because the object is a parent with no sprite attached to it. Override the parent by putting the create event. Okay, so here's the thing. I think I can probably do what this person said. We're gonna try doing that. They suggested make a... So I basically need to make a... Ironically, we're gonna do this. Where is it? It's right over here. We're gonna set it to middle center. We are going to edit the image real quick. I'm gonna just rectangle fill the entire thing as a mask. And then I'm gonna need to set it. Collision mask. Type. Oh. Oh, hold on. Okay, I know why it's having an issue. Let me fix that real quick. I think I have a solution for it. I'm gonna try doing it without having to... I think it's an issue with the... with this one over here. I think it's an issue with this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at these boys. Yeah, it should be rectangle. I'm surprised it's not working. Okay, well, nonetheless, I'm gonna see if I can do what they suggest. Origins 8x8. Collision mask. It doesn't actually tell me how to do this. Okay, this is not helping. These people are not helping me. You're approximating wrong the collision checking instead of x equals x. Oh god. Okay, that person's obviously not doing what I'm doing. There we go, sprite rotation. Person is probably doing the exact same thing I'm doing. Except they're not. They have like a very complicated set of stuff that they're doing. But they're doing that at least. That's not helpful. Okay, this person's using ChatGPT. I'm actually screaming. I love ChatGPT, except when it doesn't work for anything you do. And then it's not very great. This person is taking a while. What in the world? This person is doing a lot of things, but like... Is it because I have to change the image scale? Is that what it wants me to do? Huh. 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 Okay, so here's the thing. I don't have an idle animation. If I had an idle like selection, then that tutorial would be more helpful. What I can try and do is do one of the things they were doing, which is setting the image scale. Oh, they have two image scales now. That's unfortunate. That's oh wait, they changed the X scale. Okay, because we're doing Y and X. So this one would be image Y scale equals 1, and then image Y scale equals -1, because technically it's going down. I might need to flip those. And then this would be image X scale equals 1, and then image X scale equals -1. I think. No, they set left to be negative. So A in this case, which is S for us. So that's actually not too bad. Yeah, so it would be negative, and then the opposite would be positive. Right? Wait, this is A. This is positive. So negative and then positive. The opposite's positive. But how do you determine that? Okay, because I think it's because this one, when you're moving in the speed, it's going a negative speed, So you're going to the left, whereas this one's going to the right, so it has to match what it's going. So this one would be negative and this one would be positive, simply because this one's going down and one. I would have to explain it through a thing. If people want me to, like, here, this is important. If people are interested enough in this and they want me to explain why I think this stuff is going on, I can. And if you're more interested in me doing more of that type of stuff, you let me know. Because I'll do that next time, and I'll make sure I explain a bit more in depth on why. Actually, let's try it here. Okay, so I'm gonna see if it breaks it. It'll make it harder for me to explain. Ooh. Oh, wow, that's doing some weird stuff to my thing. Okay, so the thing with this character setup I have right now. So going up like this is technically going negative in Y. So think of it as like a grid, like each one of these squares is a grid. Technically, it starts in this corner up here and goes out in this direction. So if this is Y, or negative Y technically because we're going down, Y would be up. If I want to go towards this, I'm removing from Y. And if I want to go outwards in X, I'm adding to X. So it's why it's negative Y when I'm moving. It didn't work, but it messes up my thing. However, it's why it's negative 1 when you're doing anything that's going to the left, because you're removing from the X pixels. And it's why when you're going upwards, it's negative Y, because you're removing from the same direction. You're going backward, basically. Anyway, but this isn't working, so this isn't obviously my problem currently, and that's not helping. I'm still gonna have the issue where if I collide with something here, we have an issue. And just to check that, like, I can move around just fine. It's whenever it's because I'm switching spray. I feel like the box, I feel like it's a problem with the collider, but I can't visualize the collider at all, which kind of makes it a little bit difficult. Okay, so this guy obviously isn't helping me very much, so I'm gonna remove that. Yeah, okay, so this person's using image scale to change. The mask rotates with it. Any non-symmetric mask will potentially get stuck when rotating, even if your sprite's symmetric. Attempting to rotate an even width or even height sprite, your mask will not rotate perfectly on the spot. This is not a flawed GM, this is plain old geometry. When you perform a rotation, make sure you check if after the rotation your object will clip into level geometry. If it does, gently nudge the object away until you're not colliding anymore. Okay, so that's what we need to do. GM has a more native function that will help you with the task. Okay, that's not very helpful though. You didn't actually... Oh wait, does he actually label it? Huh. Okay, so... You create a variable called something like angle, and you use that instead of image angle. Then in the draw event, use something like that. This could be wrong. Okay, I don't want to log in. Leave me alone, Reddit. I don't want to go to a drive link, bro. Bro, who uses a drive link to explain? That's pain. That's actually pain. Okay. See, this person, I think, is doing... Yeah, they're doing sprite index as well. Oh my god, and this is the same thing I found before. If you don't know, I specifically searched for Reddit stuff. I found a lot of the people actually have decent suggestions when you get here. But the image flips over to the collision box. It's an easy fix would be send to the sprite. Make sure they have precision collision box ticked off. They have a drawing, chat. This is great. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay. And make sure they have precision collision box. Okay, can I do that? Mode. Full merge. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's probably why. Manual? How does manual work? Okay, that's probably just me doing it. Okay, that might work. I'm gonna try that, and we'll see how it works. I'll have to do it for each and every one of these, though. Full merge. Merge. What is full merge? What the hell? What does it even mean? It doesn't tell me. Okay, we're gonna try it. If I start clipping through walls, this is gonna be funny, but we'll try it. Okay. It collides with the whole image. That's why. Okay, got it. It's a full image thing. Like, it uses the whole image instead of just one now. Which is weird. It's weird. And we're gonna try and fix it. Because I don't like that. That's just dumb. But, like, this is causing issues. How do you do manual? Automatic? Oh. Okay, let's do a 50 tolerance. I don't know what 50 tolerance means, but we're gonna try it. I'm specifically not gonna do it on any other ones yet, because I only need to test it with one. Okay, I actually might need to do it with up and down. My bad. Realizing that up and down kind of are important. Automatic. 50. That doesn't seem like a lot of tolerance. I don't know what this actually tolerance rating is. It doesn't specify what tolerance is. It just kind of says, hey, this is tolerance. Haha, funny. So we're gonna do both 100. I don't know what that actually is doing for me, but we're gonna try it. We learn by experimentation. Yeah, no, that still gets stuck. Because it's still within the box. Anyway. That's a slight issue. Actually, should I check? I should really check if it's centered. I should check if these are all centered. Hold on. I should make sure that they're all in the middle center. Yeah, they're all in the middle center. They're all centered, like they should be. So. Okay, so there's something else going on here. Physics. Oh god. Oh, I can modify the collision shape. Whoa, oh god, I can do a lot. Okay, I can do a lot here. I'm in fact gonna modify this collision shape a little bit. Move that there. I'm hoping this will help fix it. I'm kind of hoping. Because I've been kind of modifying the sprites themselves, so I'm hoping if I change this collision sprite to be something non-dumb, it'll work. And then we're going to have all these be automatic. Automatic. Should also be automatic. I don't know what tolerance is doing, so I'm just going to set it to 0, and if it does something, then great, whippy. Yippee-ki-yay, it's doing something. It uses, the thing is it doesn't actually technically use physics. So like, it doesn't, I don't think this actually is gonna matter at all that I'm doing this. Because my room technically doesn't use, it's not using physics. Yeah, this doesn't do anything. Oh, this is how you add a collision mask. This is how you add the collision mask. Okay. Got it. I can work with that. I'm gonna delete that. That's not doing anything. That I can work with. Can work with that. Okay. Collision mask. Oh, wait, I have an idea. I have a sneaky little idea here. Let's do that. I'm curious. I think I know what's going on. Duck time. There's no there's no duck time. Absolute. Okay, I get it. I get what we need to do here. Okay. I have the solution. Okay, so. I could also check. I could also do something before this. Collision? Yeah, I can do a collision rectangle. I have an idea. Okay, so can I do the sprite height and width? Yes. So what I can do. This is sprite offset. No, sprite offset, you nerd. No, I need the sprite offset. The X offset, my bad. Returns the offset, the local X component, the origin defined in the sprite editor. Right, that has been defined to the instance. Okay, that's fine. So it's the local thing, but I kind of need X height. The height would be, and then do I have a I had the pause, so how do I get the position of our... Wait a minute. How do I get the position of the current game object? What's going on? That might be an issue if I can't figure out what the current... I'd have to get hours. Could I do... Hello! Hello, E.T. I am struggling. I'm struggling to get something done. I will, since you have rejoined us, I will catch you up on what we've done. I've managed to make it so the player rotates in a direction. However, we've run into a completely new issue now. I can rotate in the correct directions. But now if I walk into a wall, actually I fixed that momentarily, but you'll notice there's this massive gap. And it really bugs me to have that. So I'm working on ways to fix that. And the current thought is dumb. But like, because when I'm doing something really dumb, because the problem is, and I wish I could explain this better. So my boy here has two different types of sprites. I'm gonna look at. We have like this guy and basically, so these two types down here, right? Okay, so the problem with these two is their box for collision matches where they are, and when you rotate them, it changes where it is, and then that becomes inside the wall and gets your character stuck. So the problem with that is I don't know how to fix that. My first thought, right, is to take our guy, and every time we turn, we check if we're colliding and then move ourselves away. But that seems seems like a lot to do. So for example, if I wanted to switch down, oh, I have to check. I'd have to check first. I'd have to do a rectangle. So check. Actually, I'm just gonna do collision. It'd be a collision rectangle. and then I need to list the current position. So the problem is I don't know how to tell us where we are. And that's kind of the problem I'm having here. Because I think like this is a very complicated way to do this, but I'm gonna look up ways of doing this more efficiently. Because I get what's going on now. At least I get what I'm doing wrong. So what I'm thinking, I have this boxy boy. I could 2040? What's 2040? I'm very confused. I can fix this. I can make this a bit better. 1940? Huh? What? I'm a little confused at your statement, friendo. I'm gonna make a box, but not as big of a box. I'm gonna see if I can shave it down to like 2 so that it works. Shave it down until it works. I'm slightly confused. Okay. Because the problem is this is a big box for collision, and I want a smaller box. So it really just needs to basically fit. I'm gonna switch the color here real quick. It just needs to fit my boy in it in 2 different directions. It needs to fit that direction and this direction. Which means I can actually kind of like remove completely to... Actually, I can add a layer. Hold on. Hold on. I'm a genius. I have just come up with a genius plan. Okay, so this is about what I've done. Kind of. It's kind of what I have. It's not perfect, and it's not going to be perfect, but I can kind of like trim down the thing to roughly this... Oh, what the... Why is it not erasing? Confusion? Confusion? Hello? Oh, wait, I'm in the wrong layer. Haha. Anyway, my emeralds is 1940? Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of emeralds. Nice. Congratulations. Okay, can I have something that's not light colored? Okay. No. So if I kind of just trim this down a bit, I might be able to get it so that it's not as dumb looking and still works. It'll still be a little bit weird to play with because it'll be strange. However, it'll be less strange than if I just left it the way it was. I need to leave that part of the collision up. And then... I think this might fix our problem. Maybe. Maybe just a bit. Okay. That's gonna work. I'm gonna do this, because that layer isn't actually important. It's this layer that matters. And then we're gonna try it, because that's the mask. And this either is gonna work or not gonna work. Okay, we have movement. It's still kind of bad. It's still really cutting it. Okay. Idea. Hold on. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna cut it like real close. We're gonna take a big risk here. Actually, did I save it? It probably saved. It's fine. Okay. I'm gonna cut it real close. I'm gonna make it the exact shape I think it needs to be. The exact shape I think it needs to be. Exact shape. I think this is the exact shape it has to be able to do it. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. If this works, I'm gonna be happy. Okay, it's not great. But like, it's not bad. It's not bad either. It's a lot better than it was. And this way, it's not colliding with itself. What am I trying to make? Okay, I'll explain. So I'm working on a game, and if you want to know why games take forever, Sometimes it's just because I suck. Okay, so the problem, I'll explain from the beginning what's going on. The problem you're facing is collisions kind of, oh wait, I can explain. I have an idea. Paint. Do I have Paint? I have Microsoft Paint. I'm gonna explain it in Microsoft Paint. Hold up. Okay, so if we have like a massive wall over here, and we want oh god, is that really how Microsoft Paint works? Okay, well, that's strange anyway. And I want someone to collide with it. Let's say my character looks like this. Now, here's the problem. So if I rotate... Actually, it's easier to show it... Hold on. It's easier to show it if I do it like this. If I start my character like this... Right? If I start my character like this and then rotate them like this, they would be in the wall. So this is bad. What happens is when I do that, when I do this, it kind of gets stuck because part of it's in the wall. I'm going to change the yellow. Part of it's in the wall, and part of it's not in the wall. That's a really poor color choice. I apologize for that. That's a better color choice. So part of it's in the wall, part of it's not in the wall. So the problem that happens is the game engine kind of doesn't know what to do about this, because it's not supposed to be in there. So normally it would just push it out, but it kind of just doesn't, and you get stuck, because too much of it's inside. So the thing I needed to fix was to not let this happen at all. And that's because my character, their box, oh god, why did yeah, hold on, I'm gonna get back the rectangle tool. Okay, their box exactly followed what the character looked like. So when they rotated, it changed. Instead of doing that, what I did was I just made a bigger box that basically encompasses both. Anyway, showed you. That's why. You can do this next time off, next week or off stream. Somehow. Okay. Fight me, bro. What do you mean? What do you mean next stream, bro? I put a poll in the Discord. Fight me. I'm doing exactly what I said. Listen, I'm gonna say okay. This is now a discussion. I have many hobbies I enjoy, and I'm sharing one of my favorite hobbies. If you're not enjoying yourself, you don't have to be here. I appreciate that you're here, and that you're watching me and supporting me, but I don't want you to be bored. If you're bored of what I'm working on, or what I'm trying to do for this week's stream, then you're okay to leave. I'm not going to be hurt by it. If no one's in my chat, that's okay. I'm here to just mess around and try and show the difficulties in how I learn and progress in making games, how I build things with programming, because this is a hobby that I love, and so I'm sharing it with the people that I think might care about it. And yes, I could do this off stream, but the thing is, I'd rather go through and explain it to you so that you have some inkling of what I'm doing, especially when you ask me what I'm trying to make. What I was trying to do with that is explain why I built this, which I'm gonna rename. Because this is basically just what I just said. It's my solution so that they don't get stuck in a wall. But I'd rather show you things that I'm gonna do that are interesting than not show you them. So take that with, anyway. So, I need to check. Okay, so now that I've done that, I actually need to fix this to be the collider. I'm not bored, this is cool. Thank you! Thank you for your feedback. I'm glad that you're finding this cool. This is gonna be... I need you to let me know, though, if you want me to explain stuff like that, of why I had an issue and why I'm fixing it like this. It also helps me, because I'm learning as I go. Like, I'm doing this from scratch. Like, I've never worked with this engine before, and this is my first game I'm making with it, so I'm learning a lot here as well. That's why I'm often confused on what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, so I'm gonna call this the SPR Player mask. Okay. Player collider mask. That's genuinely like one of the more important things I've created. Now, I kind of want to make some others. I need to make more sprites because I need to make something. I need to make one of the other things that we're going to do in this game, which is items and pickups. Like, I need to make something that the player can pick up. So we're going to name this the, we're just going to start off by making a key, because the easiest thing. So, SPR, let's keep the same convention, SPR key. Okay, and then we're going to go edit image. I do everything in 16 by 16 format, because it's just the format I've chosen for this game. And just checking the time. Okay, because, yeah. Okay, so we're going to do your classic key shape. It's going to be pretty basic. Mind you, all the art I do here is all very, very temporary. Items, yeah. It's you're going to have like, okay, I should probably explain this, so that people aren't confused. Okay, so the game I'm making is kind of going to be like, think of it as like a story adventure type game. So you're going to be like going around and doing stuff in the world that I'm creating. It's going to be about the story. So you're going to have to pick up various stuff. You're going to have diary entries to pick up at some point and various stuff like that. And you're going to have to pick up stuff to do various things within the game. So, I need to work out a pickup system. I don't know if there's going to be an inventory of sorts. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I haven't figured that out yet. But I just need the person to be able to pick something up in general, because I need to learn how to make interactions and interactable stuff, so I have to make that first. So that's going to be our key. It looks really, I know it looks really, really simple. However, it's gonna work the way we need it to. So, in the actual game, it's going to be more closer to a, let me fix this. Right, that one. It's just not gonna change the name of the sprite. It's just not changing the name of the sprite. Alright, that's fine. It's just not gonna change it. Oh well. But in the actual game, it's more closer gonna be like wood. Like you're gonna be picking up supplies or wood or a weapon or a tool. Right now, the demo, like me working on just like the system, it's gonna be a key, but later on it will be other things. Alright, so I need to make an object for this new key. So I'm gonna call it O key. And then the sprite is gonna be the key I just made. Okay, so this key will have nothing it does. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. I need it to collide though. So I'm going to check what collisions we can do with the player. So that's going to be, oh, collision, perfect. Objects, key. Use GML code. Okay, so this is what happens when we collide with a key, specifically. Because I have something I want to do specifically. We're actually going to do a print statement. Right? Is it right? How do you print in GML? How do you print in GMS? Print in GMS. I need like a debug log, guys. What is the debug log? Oh god, why is it so complicated? Why is it so complicated? Oh no. Oh, okay. Okay, it's show debug message. Got it. My dad's a phone maker, so he knows programming. Hey, let's go, Chad. We love programming. Show. There we go. Show debug message. And then we're gonna write key path being touched, and with big exclamation marks. Because we're a programmer and we don't we make things ridiculous. Anyway. Okay. Oh wait, I haven't even placed the key. Hold up, I forgot to actually place a key in the world, so there's gonna be no key. We're gonna put the key just out here. I actually don't like the key being right there, like that. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. I'm not gonna fret over it. I'm not fretting. It's fine. It's because the object itself, its corner is not where I should have it. Because I think, yeah, these go on the grid. It's because, okay. Another thing I have to figure out, I need to go back and fix the wall, because I'm realizing now that I have it set to the middle center when I should really have it to the top left. Just because it prevents it. I'll check. This is gonna be either really good for me or really bad in a second. Yeah, that works a lot better. Top left. So for these objects, I'm going to put top left because they fill the space instead of being on one of the points on the grid like they were before. And I think that just works out better for me. The key should not be like that, though. The key should not be like that. I'll show the difference because I'm not sure you are seeing the difference that I'm seeing. But there is very much a difference, and it does actually matter. So I'm gonna go quickly, I'm gonna show why I'm doing this. This is gonna be middle center. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the room. Okay, so it probably isn't intuitive, the difference. So look at how I move this square. It moves by each part, so it moves like you would imagine a wall does, whereas now the key moves on the dots in between, right? Instead of moving by a whole tile, it moves by about half a tile, which is kind of what we want for this one. Same with the player. Whereas these ones, we want them to act as a whole block, right? That's why I'm doing that. And it was bugging me before that I had it set up the wrong way, so now I have it fixed. Now I have officially fixed it, and I'm happy now. And I can now test it without wanting to blow up. Okay, let's get this tested. I need to check. I'm hoping. Aha! The key hath been touched! Look, the key is touched! Key and touch. The key has been touched a lot. Okay, so now what we need to do, when that happens, we need to do a thing. Alright, so now that we know that the key is being touched and the collision works, I'm actually really like this system. It's actually really nice. We know that this works. We can delete it, and we can actually change something. So what we're going to change is we're going to set up ahead of time a near, or I guess it's going to be what am I going to call this? Because if I want multiple interacts, I need to be more specific on what interact it's going to be. So I'm going to start with interact. No, that's not right. That's not the right word. That's not the right word. Hold on. Okay, it's gonna be a long one, so bear with me here. Is near interact equals false by default, and then I need is interacting is also going to be default to false. I don't know if I'm going to use the second one. I'm putting it there because I think I might need it. Because I think it might be important. You need to drink, Gherkin. You've been working so hard. I haven't been working all that much, but I appreciate the thought. I will drink. I agree. We do need some drinking. All right, everyone, take a sip of water. Ah, delicious. Yum. Alright. Okay, so when we're near the interact, the key is actually going to set this, so is near interact is going to be equal to true when we're near it, or well, when we're on top of it. And then what we want to do is in step, we need to check if that is happening. So step if is near interact If near interact. Okay, so if we're near the interact, we kind of need to display something. I don't know if we display here though. That's the problem. BRB. All right. See ya. I don't know if we do it here though. Draw. I just draw text here. Okay, I'm gonna do draw text. What does it do? I'm just gonna do that. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna draw specifically at start drawing at 5, and then we're gonna start drawing at 5 and see what happens, and then I'm gonna draw test. I don't know what this is gonna do. I have no idea what this is gonna do. Officially did nothing that I saw. So I don't know what that is doing, but it's doing something. Do I actually have to ask it if it's true? Do I actually have to ask and go equals true? Do I actually have to ask it if it's true? It shouldn't. I shouldn't need to ask it if it's true. But you never know sometimes. It should automatically be like, okay, it's asking me that. No, it is not that. I'm just messing something up. Okay. Hey, welcome back. Okay, so I think I don't want to check this here. I think we need to do draw GUI. Draw GUI. This one. This is where we need to draw it, I think. So, if not that. Interact is near interact. If is in near interact, then we want to, if that's happening, then we want to draw a underscore a text. Draw a text. I don't really care for that, so we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna start it at like, we're gonna do like 100 100y or 100x, like 10y, and then we're just gonna put in the message. That way it's hard for me not to see it. I need to be able to see this text. Yeah, it's XY and then... Oh, wait, no, I want this opposite. I want this 10 and then 100. Sorry. I forgot that my X and Y's are flipped. Okay. Oh, it doesn't go away either. That's hilarious. That's funny. Okay, okay. How do I remove text? Else. Remove. How do I get rid of a text? Text. How do I, okay, I need to look this up. Removing drawn text. GML. It's actually GMS, sorry. Removing drawn text, thank you. Your idea sounds fine, you must have an error in the coding. Create object, draws up. Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine. So, it's linked to the object itself. So what we need to do... Okay. I get what we need to do here. So in step, we need to actually make an object here that's just for making text. That's genuinely just for text. So I'm going to name this the object for text. Or oText, I guess. Okay, so this is literally just going to be here to write text, and that's all it's going to do. I hope you do this in seconds, so I want to play it. This is gonna take a bit. It's gonna take me some time. It'll get, as I get used to this engine, I'll get quicker and quicker at making stuff, but it's gonna take some time. Okay. So we're gonna do a alarm. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So instead of doing draw GUI here, I kind of need to do draw GUI elsewhere. Draw GUI here, HTML code, and then we're going to do the exact same thing I did here, except I'm just going to tell it to do it. And then I'm going to delete that and delete this. Goodbye. That's not what I wanted to do. That's fine. I can figure this. I'll just rewrite it again. So, draw underscore text. We want X. We want that to be, I think I did like 100, or no, we'll do 10 and 100 and big ah. Alright. That's what it's gonna do. And then this alarm is kind of just going to delete itself. So, destroy. How does that work? How do I destroy? How do I delete itself? How do I make something Alt F for itself? Okay. Okay, maybe I should look up how to do this. Okay, so I have to draw a specific GUI. Okay. Hold on. Oh god. How do they actually draw it, though? How do you actually draw it, though? That's the thing. Oh. Oh, I see. I see. That's weird, though. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Got it. Wait a minute. Hold up. But here's my problem with this. Okay, so I'm gonna run through what I'm looking at here. So we set up this, we set up basically, I'm assuming this is just setting up what the scoreboard looks like. We draw this text, and then it draws a transformed. What does that mean? Draw text transformed. Okay, so this is technically going to be named GUI, which is much better. GUI. And on create, we're just gonna do nothing yet. I'm gonna just tell it to draw this text for now, and then I can flip it on and off later. But I want to do draw underscore text transformed. Oh, I know why it's a problem. Okay. So instead of doing it like this, what we do instead, this is gonna be scuffed. So we do current then for this one we're just gonna do something simple. We're gonna do just name it underscore text equals nothing for now. And I know, okay, and then what we do for this, we do underscore text. Okay. Now, when we do this, we need to have, there's only going to be one GUI in the entire freaking scene. Only one. Because if there's more than one, we'll have a problem. So on create, what we also want to do is set the GUI. Hey, welcome back, Mufasa. Underscore GUI is going to be equal to our O GUI. Whatever one is currently active, there should only be one in every scene. If there's more than one, this probably will break. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to set up two things. So we're gonna do text and then also underscore active. Welcome back, Mufasa. I forgot if I said that, but welcome anyway. We're gonna set that to false so that it doesn't just activate. So, if do this. If we're active, then we want to do stuff. If we're not active, don't bother doing anything, because you're wasting of time. Okay, so that's what we're doing there. So what this is gonna do now is, oh my god, it's time to drink. Thank you for the drink. Everyone grab your water. Drink. Delicious. Alright. So when we collide with the O key, what we're actually technically going to do here, we do want to set is near interact. Yeah, actually that's fine. I don't want to do anything like that in there. So what we're going to do is the same thing I was planning on doing, except I'm going to do it less dumb. Is near interact. That. And then what we're gonna do is underscore GUI dot text is gonna be equal to, and we're gonna set it to and then what we're gonna do is underscore GUI dot active equals true. So if we're near this object, we're gonna set it to that. The problem is, I've set this up really poorly, and I'm realizing, in fact, half of this is unnecessary. Because this only needs to be done once. Actually, never mind. I actually know why I need to do it here. I'm about to explain why I need to do it here, because if I don't do it here, it's not gonna work. Because what we need to do is the exact same, we actually need to do it in this step, otherwise I wouldn't, because it would be pointless. If I think of a better way to do this later, I'll change it, but for now, we'll do it in here. And then set to false. Because if I just do this, it will never reset, so that's good. Dude, looks like a professional software engineer. His goal for engineering, but side quests are allowed. As said in the title, exactly, this is a side quest, don't worry about it. If I don't do this in here, The problem is the text that we are creating over here will stay up permanently. And I don't really want that. So our solution is to do this. And yeah, anyway, we're gonna test this and I'm praying it works. I'd be real sad if it doesn't. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, wait, hold on. I forgot to actually add it to the room. One moment. Let me add that. I really hope it doesn't show as a question mark. I really hope it doesn't show as a question mark. Okay, thank God it doesn't show as a question mark. I was gonna scream. I was gonna scream. It didn't fix it. It didn't fix it. It did not fix it at all. Okay, so everybody, we got a problem here. Okay, we're gonna try something else. Instead of setting it to nothing, I'm gonna set it to just a freaking space. Space. Oh, wait, does it... Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on, I realized something. I realized something here, hold on. Hold on a minute, wait. I realized a problem. Okay. Okay. Okay, so new problem. New problem. This never becomes untrue. This is always true, no matter what happens. Because I've just said that anytime we enter this key, it becomes true. And nothing in my script changes that fact. So what we need to do is when we interact, after we interact, I need to do... Oh wait, no, that doesn't work though, because that will immediately turn it off. Wait a minute. Oh wait, okay, we're gonna try it, Is near interact equals false. Try it. I don't think this shouldn't work. If this works, it's gonna work by a miracle. And it will be dumb if it works. Okay, it works, but it really shouldn't. Like, it's so janky to do it like this. But you know what? It kinda works, and I'm almost gonna keep it. Funny. Cause like, it's not a great way to do that. It's like the worst way I could possibly think to do this, but you know what? It works. I might just keep that. You do another step. Okay, it just does the same one. Anyway. I feel like this is a really bad way to do it. I feel like there has to be a better way to do it. Okay, I'm gonna check real quick. Checking collisions. BFs. Meet me. Oh, we could do place meeting. There are two ways to check collisions. Collision event using geocode functions, place meeting, or addition of others. The collision functions can be used in any event. Check for specific collisions. It can be even further used to create your own custom collision events that run in, for example, the step event. So, in the step event, to check for the collision between an instance and an object, you can do something like this. Yeah, okay. So, what we want is place meeting. So, if instead, I can typically just do this in here. So, if place meeting. So, we have place empty, place meeting, and instance place. So, what does that do? Instance place? With this function, you can check a position for a collision with another instance for all instances of an object. Using the collision mask for the instance that runs the code for the check. Okay, so what's the meeting place? Place meeting. What's the difference here? Place meeting. No. For this collision, you can check a position for a collision with another instance or all instances of an object. What? I'm sorry, hold on, what? You can check a position for a collision. Okay, how did they use it? How did they use it? So they check what I can check wherever we currently are, I suppose. Wherever we currently are. But like I feel like that's weird. I feel like it'd be more instances the place. The instance place makes more sense. That doesn't make sense either. What is our X and Y? But how do you find the? What is this? What is the? OBJ X Y values in script. In this. I don't know what their values. Oh god, I didn't do that. Current position X and Y. What is the current? How do you find the current position? Oh, is it literally just X and Y? I'm an idiot. Anyway, it is literally just X and Y. Place meeting. Place meeting. Place meeting. X, Y. It's just there. And then we want specifically the O key. Because I need to do like custom things, unfortunately. I can't necessarily use their built-in method. Although I wish I could. Okay, so if we meet at the same place as the key, right? If we're on top of the key, right? What we want to do is this. We want to do this, right? I want to do this setup right here. I want to do this boy. Right? And then if we're not, so if else, right. I know I'm asking. I know I'm acting like I'm asking you guys. Listen, it's important. We do this instead, and then I basically delete half of my freaking code. Oh no, that's not what I want to do. Do you not allow for? Really? Hold on. Okay, well I'm gonna have to do this by hand then. That's painful. Oh well. /*. Aha, I can't do it like this. You could. Anyway. There should be a comment block, but I don't know how to do it yet, so. And then I can basically delete half of what I've written here, because it would be worthless for me to write. We love invalidating code. Alright, anyway. Let's see if this works. That's a lot more snappy. And I don't have to, and with this, I can literally take this out completely. I can in fact actually remove this entire event. It doesn't actually need to be there anymore. And I can remove both of these. Done. What we're gonna do though is I really should, because my game will crash if I forget to put the OGUI in the game. I really should have the player just automatically make an OGUI if there is none. So, if OGUI equals null, pointer null. If OGUI does not well, pointer null, then set it. And then else, if it does equal null, which means I forgot to put it somewhere, what the creator is going to do, it's going to create instance. Create? How do you create an instance? This is a great question. How do you create an instance? How does one go about creating an instance in the world somewhere? I'm gonna have to look that up. Create an instance at runtime GMS. What is instance? No, I want to create a object. There's no way to create objects dynamically at runtime? No, that's what I'm asking. If you mean objects created with instance create, then yes. Just make sure to set a flag in the step event so that the objects are not created over and over, crashing it. Okay, that's fine. I'm not doing it in the step to instance underbar create. What is create depth? With this function, you create a new instance of the specified object at any point within the room and at the specified depth. What depth do I give this? It actually doesn't matter what depth it is. I'm just going to put it probably at negative 100. And it's going to go instantly to 0, 0. And then the depth is going to be negative 100 because it doesn't actually matter where this thing is because it's not going to be used in any other thing. Though what I need is to give it OGY. And then we can do underbar GUI equals O or O. Then I can do this. What I want to check now is if this actually does something, because it means I don't actually have to put OGUI in here. I can just kind of yeet it and forget it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm going to test it. If it crashes, then I know this didn't work. And it didn't crash. I'm a master at work. And it works. I'm a genius, chat. I am the best programmer. Anyway, anyone who knows programming is gonna come to this video like, this dude's an actual idiot. This is baby's first solution to a problem. Anyway. So that works, that's set up. I kind of need to fix the GUI though. I'm going to do that before we leave off, and we'll finish off today with a very... Gherkin move, Gherkin collect keys. Listen, I'm getting there. Anyway, well, this is going to be a very rough, but for now, I kind of want to fix where it is. And I'm thinking I'm going to put it, because our room size right now... And I'm going to keep working on this off stream, but this is just what I'm doing on stream. So our width is 400. I like where our width is at. I kind of want to make it closer to that 300 though. So I think we're going to do 275. I'm pulling that completely out of my butt. Literally. Well, not literally, but you know what I mean. Wait, my Gherkin's not here. You guys are missing my Gherkin. Oh, I'm so sorry. I completely forgot. I'm sorry, my bad. I didn't mean to not have Gherkin show up. My bad. I didn't realize I'm... see, that works. You know what? That works perfectly fine for me. I actually might want to move it a bit more centered. But you know what? Actually, I'm kind of fine with that for now. I want to add more to it, and I will. Like, I'll have to add, like, an actual box here. Like, an actual, like GUI-looking box, so it's not so bad-looking. And I need to figure out how to fix its resolution. Because that's a little bit... The resolution's a little low. It's because my thing is super zoomed in, so the resolution on everything's going to be very low. And I'll figure out how to fix that. But for now, I'm pretty happy about this. I'm pretty proud with what we've accomplished. You know, I think I've done a great job here. And we've done very little, but like, progress is progress, am I right? Am I right? Anyway, I think we're gonna end it off for today. I think I'm gonna keep working on it, and we will slowly get more work done as time progresses. And it will be quicker as soon as I learn how to use this engine. It's so slow right now because I genuinely have no idea what I'm doing. I'm very new to this engine, so I kind of know what I need to do, but like, I have to figure out how to do it with the engine. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for being here as always. This is a side quest. I do these every once in a while. If you liked it, let me know, because it tells me to do more of them. And, of course, subscribe, like, all the stuff that you do, that you normally would do. There's a Discord in the description where I sometimes put polls on, like, what we do in that stream. So if you want to say what happens, sometimes I'll put a poll there for you to go check out, and you can go do that. The next stream will be next weekend at 1 PM EST, unless I find time next week, and I'll do like a pop-up stream, and the only way you'll know is if you join the Discord. Anyway, thank you guys for being around. I will see you guys later. I'm gonna put on the music for you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, everybody.